Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make stew type buldak. Start by gathering chicken, gochujang, gochugaru, soy sauce, garlic, onion, and stock. Trim and cut chicken into bite-sized pieces and season lightly with salt and pepper. Prepare vegetables and aromatics while your sauce mixes 2 tablespoons gochujang, 1 tablespoon soy, and 1 cup stock so it simmers evenly. Gather ingredients and prep everything before you start cooking to keep things moving. Cut chicken into uniform pieces so they cook evenly and season briefly. Measure sauces precisely with spoons and cups to hit the right spice level. Slice vegetables into similar sizes to ensure consistent texture. Keep stock warm so the stew returns to a simmer quickly when assembled. This prep saves time and prevents overcooking delicate ingredients. Heat a wide pot, brown chicken briefly for caramelized flavor, then remove to prevent overcooking. Sauté garlic and onion until fragrant, then stir in 2 tablespoons gochujang, 1 tablespoon gochugaru, soy sauce, and warm stock. Return the chicken, bring to a low boil, then reduce heat and simmer gently for tenderness. Add mushrooms and scallions near the end so they remain texturally pleasing. Adjust seasoning and serve hot with rice or noodles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.